Yeah, that's a great question because I'm still figuring it out. But I think I think my motto is Daniela is go. Like I'm always on go because if I get home and I'm tired, I only have 3 days at home, and if I don't do anything and I just go back to work, it feels like I don't have a life. So I try to like make plans with people while I'm away so that I have those commitments when I'm already here. Do you know what I mean? Like if it's already Saturday, I don't have any plans. I'm not gonna make plans. I'm one of those people that like will text you I'm on my way when I'm in the bed. So yeah, so I try to make plans with people while like during the week so that I already have those commitments. So I feel like I'm doing something else other than working. I don't know what else. I don't know how else I separate my work and life balance, but I think it's really all about a mindset as well. And just being able to appreciate like where you are at each moment. Like my client is in San Diego, which is a beautiful city, and it's really nice over there. So just being able to appreciate that and just being able to be in another environment is something that not everybody has the opportunity to do. And just trying to make new friends over there, so I don't feel like that's just a work area. It's still like it can still be social for me. And I think the other thing is having friends that understand, right? Being able to work at a firm like this, there's a lot of young people, so I'm able to make friends at work. So hanging out with them is like also really awesome. And I think the last thing for me is being able to travel to another city instead of coming from home is probably another huge perk, and it allows me to have a social life because if I want to go visit someone instead of going home, I could just go fly there and whoever the person is without paying anything. So I think it's a mindset. If I'm constantly thinking, oh no, I am always traveling, I'm always working, then that's just what it's gonna be. Do you know what I mean?